Good morning class. How are you students? Hope everyone is fine. Let's start our subject. Today our subject is English and this is your new chapter number 20, The Sparrows, part 1, explanation part. Let's read the chapter. See, cheep cheep. Who was saying cheep cheep? The cry of the sparrows woke Rashmi up. This was the sound of sparrow. They were crying. Two sparrows were there and they woke by making this cry sound. Rashmi woke up. Okay. The little girl lived in a big house. That little girl, she lived in a big house. She had a pretty room. Look at her room. Very pretty room. But the sparrows were trying to make a nest in her room. But there were two sparrows. They were trying to make nest in this room. Okay. Which room? Rashmi's room. Every day her mother would sweep the dry straws from her room. They make your room look dirty. She would say. Her mother say always that two sparrows make her room dirty, and she every day making sweeping and picking all the dry straws from her room. And she was very sad with this, that every day she is cleaning the room. Okay, next. But these straws are for their nest. Where will they lay their eggs? Rashmi used to cry. But Rashmi was saying to her mother, Mama, these straws are for their nest. That two sparrows are coming and making their nest. Where will they lay the eggs? Where will they lay the eggs? Rashmi used to cry. Rashmi was saying, but mother would not listen. Anything of Rashmi. Rashmi felt sorry for the sparrows. Rashmi was very sad for that sparrows. Then she had a wonderful idea. She became an idea. She had an old doll's house. She has an old doll's house. Look here, how beautiful. The birds could make a nest in her old doll's house. That two birds, they can make their nest in that old doll's house. Okay. Rashmi cleaned the doll's house and put some grains on the floor of the doll's house. Every day she cleaned that doll's house and put some grains for eating them sparrows. And spread there some grains on the floor of this doll's house. The hungry birds ate all the grains. That two birds ate all the grains. But they did not make a nest in the doll's house. But they didn't make their nest in this doll house. The happy birds ate everything and made their nest on the pelmet. They make their nest on this pelmet. Look here on the top of this curtain. Here are the places. They make their nest on the pelmet. Okay. Daily mother would sweep the dry straws out, but the foolish birds did not occupy the doll's house. Daily mother was coming and she was sweeping the dry straw, but that foolish birds did not make their nest in the doll's house. Rashmi put the dry straws in the doll's house and made a good nest for them, but still the two sparrows slept on the pelmet. She was collecting all the straws, dry straws, and started making nests for them in the dollhouse. But that two sparrows never come in this dollhouse for sleeping. They always slept on this pelmet. Okay. Okay. Now, one day what happened? One of the sparrows was hurt by a naughty boy. One of the sparrows was hurt. It was become hurt by a naughty boy. Rashmi heard the loud cheep cheep. That loud sound was coming from the sparrow. She picked up the hurt bird and put it in the nest inside the doll's house. Then it was hurt. Then Rashmi picked up that sparrows and put in the doll's house. The nest was there inside the doll house. Cheep cheep. She soon heard. Again, cheep cheep they were saying. She heard that Rashmi, it was the sparrow's partner. And the sound was that, whose sound? The sparrow, one more sparrow was there. that Sparrow's partner. He has joined her inside the dollhouse. He also joined her inside the dollhouse. After a few days, when Rasmi peeped into the nest, after some few days, when Rasmi was looking here in this nest, in this dollhouse, she saw 2 eggs in it. She saw how many eggs? 2 eggs. She jumped with joy and ran to call her mother. She was very happy with joy and she came to call her mother. Okay students, I hope you all understood this chapter. I am coming with the next part. Bye bye bachcho.